Okay, next we've got a 172 scale Airfix Mk1 Spitfire. It's an old tool with raised panel lines originally, but I've taken the effort to remove the sand down the panel lines and re-scribe them, which is a lot of work, but worthwhile for the sake of upgrading this very old, well, rather old kit from the early 80s, I think it must be. I built this kit before, but not to this level. Hand painted, put the brown on first, followed by some green, Airfix brown, Revel green. The tail insignia, I had to use some decal soft to make sure that went around the front, stayed on, and apart from that, not a bad little kit. If I can zoom in and focus, it's not going to focus because it doesn't want to focus. Alright, that's fair enough. You don't focus, I don't care. The black line isn't a decal, that's hand painted using Tamyia tape, which I'm not quite pleased with. And there you go, one more model from my collection. And the exhausts are painted with a mixture of 53 and 29 humbrol acrylic. And I made a little dot here for the silver dot with the petrol fuel cap, should be, not on the original kit. There we go, my little illuminated kit review.